Hello students, this is Manikanta. In this class we will discuss about 10th class mathematics. Okay, an interesting topic. Moving to the topic. First of all, students, observe these all things. Here, a group of letters and bunch of keys and bunch of flowers and file of books. So, the one thing that can be seen common, that is everything is in the form of group or set. Is in the form of group or set. So that's our today topic. Chapter number sets. Set. A set can be formed of anything that can be well defined. A set can be formed of anything that can be well defined. What do you mean by well defined? Now take an example. A set numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 10. Here all are variables. All are variables. This is well defined because you can list all the numbers. You can list all the numbers. So these all informations are going to be set. So this is called as set. At the same time, another example, a set of tall students in a classroom. Set of tall students in a classroom. Is it set or not? And after that, a set of smart students in a classroom also. Is it set or not? First, this is considered as set. Yes or no? No. Because here, tall, smart, clever, these all are things are relative terms. So it cannot be defined. There is no well defined objects. So we can't make a set in these situations. Okay. So the next one, a set of letters comes after T. After T means U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are also variables. Okay. So, but we can easily represent. Here it is a static constant. There is no change. Okay. There is no change. We can list all these values. So, this is a set. Next. Here observe that A, E, I, O, U. We already know A, I, O, U means vowels. These also similar groups. So this is also a set. Cricket, football, hockey, badminton. These all are under the group of sports. So this is also a set. Next, states of India. India consists 29 states. 29 states. So we can list all the 29 states. So this is also a set. After that, strong students. But here, this is cannot be set because strong is the relative term. Sometimes it can change into value one person to another person. If relative terms can change its values one person to another person, one situation to another situation. So that's why we are not able to make the sets these relative terms. Okay, but if I add a condition like student who weight more than 50 kgs are strong. Observe this one. Students who weight more than 50 kgs are strong. Now I can add here some more information. Now this is going to be set. Now this is a set because we have a number or a quantity or a value. Observe this set. Here it is the B equal to square, rectangular, rhombus, parallelogram. Is it set or not? Definitely set. We already given. Okay, B equal to square, rectangle, rhombus, parallel. Which type of set? This is a B quadrilateral set because these all shapes having 4 sides. Okay, can we put triangle or cone in this set B? No, because triangle or cone or cannot be members of B, because triangle contains three sides, cone it is a 3D object. We already know in our earlier classes quadrilateral means a shape contains four sides, that is called as quadrilateral. So triangle is not a quadrilateral and cone is also not a quadrilateral. So we can't put triangle or cone in this set B. Okay, clear? Now, okay, what we learned in this topic, what are the sets and conditions to form a set. Next, representation of a set. Here, representation of a set. Here two types of methods. One is roster method, another one is set builder method. Okay, here a question, a set of all letters in word mathematics. So the answer is A equal to open brace M comma A comma and so on as close brace. If it is a set name, we can also represent any alphabet. Okay, we can also represent any alphabet as a set name, but only use uppercase like capital letters. Okay, capital letters. Okay, now next, second point, if a set represent with curly braces, flower brackets or flower brackets. Okay, curly braces or flower brackets. Third one, first point is set name must be capital letters. Set name must be capital letters or uppercase. Second one is set represent with curly braces or flower brackets. Third one is the set elements, there is no repetitions of elements. If any set, there is no repetition. If one element can use only one time. So set name always capital letters. Set represent with open or closed brace, and inside the open and closed brace, these all things are elements. Okay. Set builder method. A set of whole numbers between 0 to 1000 using roster method can be for this set whole numbers between 0 to 1000. We cannot list all the whole numbers. Here our question is set list the elements 0 to 1000. I think whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers denoted with W. We cannot write all the elements. If we using roster method, we can use set name W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We are using up to 1000, but it is very lengthy process. So that's why we use the. If it is a method, we use its building a particular set instead of writing all the elements. Here our motto equal to write the whole numbers 0 to 1000, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there is a lengthy process. So our set name A equal to open brace. Here I take a variable x, I can represent it as x such that x belongs to W. Capital W means whole numbers, comma 0 less than x less than 1000. So 0 to 1000. So with the help of this builder method, set builder method. Okay. Next example, here a set name was B. I can write the letter of the word mathematics. Mathematics, M-A-T-H-E, M-A-T-I-C-S. These are the elements, but we can use it as X. It's a variable. X belongs to what? X is a variable. X belongs to E is the letter of the word mathematics. Okay, mathematics. Close the set brace. Clear? Here the set name, and we can take only one variable, extra variable. But what is this variable? The variable is related to is the letter of the word mathematics. So first we need to check X equal to M, after that X equal to A, after that X equal to T, after that X equal to H, after that X equal to E, after that X equal to, directly go to the I, after that X equal to C, after that X equal to S. Next I will explain two things. One is belongs to and not belongs to. Belongs to. If I explain these two things with the help of one set V equal to open brace A-E-I-O-U, you already know these all things are vowels. Okay, now here I take A is belongs to V. This is the statement, right or wrong? Right, because the variable or the element are present in V set, so we can represent it as A belongs to V. So I can take a variable K or a variable S. These two variables are not present in set V, so we can represent it as K is not belongs to V, because the variable is not present in set V. Okay, now next, an example 1. E is a set. It consists of the letters bitter. Now I can write both forms. One is roster, another one is set builder form. So first one, roster form, we can use. First step is take the set name capital. So here the set name, so E is capital, must be uppercase. Okay, using open brace or curly brace. So using open brace and curly brace. Now these all are the elements. So take B comma E comma T comma, here T comes two times, we can use only one time, and E also comes two times, we can use only one time, and R. So this is the form of roster form. Second one, set builder form. We can use E is a set name in capital letters, open brace. I can take X is a variable and X belongs to letters of the word bitter. Okay, and also we can write in the form of x colon x colon, okay, observe this is a colon, okay. X is a letter in the word bitter, okay, clear. Next, here it is the example 2. Write the set B x column. X is a natural number and x square less than 40. Set close. Observe this. It is a natural number. X is a natural number. First of all, set B consists of natural numbers and it is a condition x square must be less than 40. So we look for the numbers and their squares starting from 1 because we already know 0 square is equal to the 0. So we can start with 1. 1 square equal to 1. 1 square equal to 1. So 1 square equal to 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. But the x square values must be less than 0. So here 7 square value equal to greater than 40. So we don't take the value of 7. We can use only 1 to 6. Okay, we can use only 1 to 6 the value equal to. So we can represent in the form of here the set B in the form of set builder form. We can represent in the form of roster form. So set B equal to set open the element 1 equal to 1. We already know 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, but 7 the value is 49, so we can don't use 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the set B in the form of set built form. Okay, clear. Okay, students, now next class we will discuss about remaining questions. So thanks for watching.